If you followed any of the podcasts prior, you will obviously know that if you can decrease inflammation within the temporomandibular joint, all the known symptoms associated with TMD, which are frequent or recurring headache, earache, jaw pain, neck pain, tinnitus, subjective hearing problems, vertigo, shoulder and upper shoulder and arm pain, arm, hand, finger tingling and numbness, and locking, closed locking of the mandible. But in September of 2021, it is extremely common for those symptoms to be misdiagnosed, misdirected, mistreated, thinking that those symptoms are coming from somewhere else or have some other primary diagnosis other than TMD. So I want to dissect this a little bit today from a very simplified point of view, and hopefully, again, I can present it cogently, and you can follow the process here of my thinking and presentation. But let's start out with definition of science. Science is the study of cause and effect. And we're going to bring this down to specifics of, the scientific address of TMD. But first, let's just define a few terms and talk about where we're going to be discussing this. Science is actually the study of cause and effect. Now, you can take any issue in physics, in biology, neuroanatomy, and look at it from the point of view of cause and effect. Let's just take something pretty simple, came to my mind. If you see the moon rise at one horizon, go across the sky and set at a different horizon, before we knew about the sun and the planets that surround the sun, it was mystical to some people why that would be. But when you understand the cause of that effect, which is the moon rising at one surface and setting at another surface, you fully understand what it is. You understand the cause, in this case, that the moon circles around our planet.